9's back to 9. Dispatch copy.
Alright, 20, I need you up here now.
Beamer, what's your 20?
I'm running to you. Just sit tight.
Dog it.
Are you? Who is this? Is this you?
Yeah.
Dude, go up there. Go up there where they're at. Go right there. Oh shoot, dude. Yeah. Go right. Yeah. Yeah, go up there. Oh, where'd they go? Oh, no, they're cover house. Shoot. There you go. Look at this. No. Is everything all right?
Beamer, this is freaking war.
What
this
happened? See, I was putting you in there because I knew that you needed it.
Mars, quit! What are you doing?
He threw me in the EMS vehicle. They took off with me.
How'd you get out?
He disappeared. Okay, but this is war. Y'all are done for.
No, it's not. She's down. Dude, I handcuffed her and put him in the AI medic.
Is she down? Is she down?
Oh, she's down.
Oh, watch this. Hey, Flush.
Yeah.
Is she down?
She's down, brother.
May I help you with that shit?
You know what I thought she was gonna do?
What?
I thought she was gonna hit the side of their car and push it on top of him. This is exactly why we can only ride together once a week because
well, we'd be fired.
Would be fired. Would be fired. Oh.
Is she down? I mean, she did charge us with a baseball bat.
Is she down?
Is she down?
Okay, let me try to focus. I ain't got no bandages. I ain't got no vest.
We're gonna stop up here to